Hey, welcome back to Adjusting Your Sketch. I just went over how to import your sketch. Now we're going to make some adjustments to it, okay? So let's just get to it. Here it is. My image is already imported here, but it's not facing the right way, so I'll go over here and I'll flip the image like so. And maybe I want to scale him up a bit, okay? My guy is kind of like leaning to the side there. You know, maybe I don't think I drew him that way, but I think when I took the picture, I was a little bit on an angle. So I'm going to bring down just a little guide here by clicking and dragging a guide down here. And I'm going to grab one of these corners, and I'm going to kind of tilt him in the direction that I want. There. That feels a little bit more straight, right? And maybe I'll just move him down on the page a tad. Kind of center him. And I got a little space, but I think he's good at that size. I can work with that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to the adjustment layer, and I'm gonna adjust, let's see, the black and the white point here. Just gonna kind of the reds. That's about good. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna adjust the, let's see, you can use a curve adjustment, right? So kind of get this a little bit more white, and then on our blacks over here, we're going to make it a little bit black. So on this side is adjustments for the black, on this side is adjustments for the white, and then on the overall can be adjusted here. You could actually select different channels as well too. Curves is a little bit more advanced. We could talk about that later, but for right now, all you need to know is that you want to kind of adjust the white point, kind of adjust the black point here, and just so you can see your lines a lot cleaner. Okay, and I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to hit Command and the semicolon to get rid of my guide, and I'm not getting rid of it. I'm just hiding it by turning it on and off. And once I'm done with that, and I'm pretty comfortable with that, I'm going to hit Command L, and that's going to lock the layer, and that's going to keep me from selecting this layer and moving it around. Okay, so that's it for adjusting your image, and let's move on to the next lecture. If you have any other questions now, you could start a discussion. You could tweet me at @MixedMediaSalad, or you could send me an email. All right, guys, see you in the next lecture.